Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mazda Autozam, and so this was one of the hyped casting sometime back, and luckily I was able to get this one. Okay, this is from the A case if you guys are wondering. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. It really looks humongous. So I don't know if it will fit the track for the roll test, but let's see. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, it looks really fresh and nice, and does have headlight details which is good. So from that we can easily judge there is not going to be any tail light details, and it does have some damage here, you can see. Okay, so the wheels are really huge. So on the body is fully metal, this piece here is plastic. It has some amount of interior detailing to it, not much. It has wiper details as well. It says four-wheel drive here. Yeah, Autozam. And so the chassis is fully plastic from here. So only this part here is metal. Rest everything is plastic in this one. Okay, let's do a roll test. I hope it. I think it will fit the track. Yeah, yeah. It does roll really nice. If you ask me, I don't see any wheel wobble or anything. Let me just try it one more time and see. Yeah, I don't think there is any wheel wobble. Maybe in the rear wheel, it's very little. It is, like tolerable. Okay. See, it may not cross the track, but it rolls really nice and smooth. So compared to this Ford Bronco, which we unboxed, that is really total shit. It doesn't even cross halfway mark. But this one is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.